Welcome back. One of the actions you can take with any script, if you find it not behaving the way you want, or if you find that the AI is not reading words correctly, you can copy the entire script and you can place the entire script inside of an AI. In this case, we're going to place the text inside of the chatbot, ChatGPT, but we're going to give ChatGPT some instructions. We're going to ask ChatGPT to make our text so that it is very easy for an artificial intelligence voice to read. And this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to prompt ChatGPT. So we're giving ChatGPT some very simple instructions in order to clean up our script. We're asking for it to be rewritten as to be easy for an AI narrator to read, as well as no hard to pronounce abbreviations or parentheses. And then ChatGPT will give us back its version of the script according to what we have asked it to do. And we don't have to worry about our past iterations. All of our past iterations are in the history area. That means then we can go back to our settings and then we can generate speech with the new script that we have written. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.